Sining Bayanihan is an arts and culture competition of the Kkdat program, enjoining the youth to showcase the Filipino core values o pagkikipagkapwa, pagiging makadiyos at mapagmahal sa pamilya. It also aims to promote the Kkdat values of youth empowerment, resourcefulness, active citizenry, and participation in nation building. The contest is in pursuit of the theme, Kabataan Tayo Mismo, Malikhain at Matapang na Pagtugon sa anuman hamon ng panahon. Towards that end, the Ilonggo Cups invited the Kkdat chapters across Iloilo Province to participate in this endeavor. The Iloilo Police Provincial Office takes pride of the 124 entries for this contest.
To all the Kkdat chapters that participated in the Sining Bayanihan, an arts and cultural competition of the Kkdat program, we thank you for your support. I am happy to note that despite at short notice, we went out of your way to come up with a piece of art that showcases the Kkdat values of youth empowerment, resourcefulness, active citizenry, and participation in nation building. Though the judges already choose our entry to the regional level competition, believe that by just sending your entries, you are all winners. Again, thank you. Mabuhay ang mga batang Ilonggo, mabuhay ang mga batang Pilipino.
The Provincial Police Office have opened windows and greater doors and opportunities for these young people in the province to be part of this program, not only to compete, but to bring to its maximum the gifts and talents that God have entrusted to them.
Iloilo Police Provincial Office and its partners proudly announce the winners. Visual Arts category. Second runner-up, Bayanihan Kkdat chapter. First runner-up, Barotak Geo Kkdat chapter. Champion, Bingawan Kkdat chapter. Performing Arts category. Second runner-up, Carles Kkdat chapter. First runner-up, Banate Kkdat chapter. Champion, Leon Kkdat chapter. Interpretative Dance. Second runner-up, Concepcion Kkdat chapter. First runner-up, Carles Kkdat chapter. Champion, Santa Barbara Kkdat chapter. Literary Arts. Second runner-up, Santa Barbara Kkdat chapter. First runner-up, Carles Kkdat chapter. Champion, San Joaquin Kkdat chapter. Short Films category. Second runner-up, Miag-Aw Kkdat chapter. First runner-up, Lambunaw Kkdat chapter. Champion, Zaraga Kkdat chapter. And for the special award, with a total of 305,000 shares and 6,400 hearts, the winner for the social media award goes to Dumangas Kkdat chapter. Congratulations! in Sining Bayanihan of the Kabataan Kontra Droga at Terorismo Kkdat program. Your Ilonggo Cops are proud of you.